There's a bug in here.
What?
We're happy that we make each other happy, and
I'm pretty sure it is your longest.
yeah, it is.
Yep.
I've never been with someone for a year.
Couldn't have said it any better.
Love and what's it like being?
Cheers to Piper.
Okay.
And Liper.
13's right next to you.
So, I mean, I love being in a relationship with Piper. You know, Piper is sweet, kind, she's beautiful, and she's an amazing person. I love her so, so much.
Okay, so now that we've talked about Liper's relationship,
Yes.
you guys were so interesting. Let's talk about
Are you calling us boring?
someone else's
Are you
relationship.
calling us boring?
I feel like Claire, have a seat right on the couch there next to
Bless
Piper.
you.
He's just leaving you?
Wow, Hayden's just leaving.
Wow.
Guys, he's gonna come back in 2 weeks.
So
So how
Hayden,
do
like,
you-
kissed you on the cheek and then just did.
How do you feel about having kind of a long distance relationship?
He's gonna come back in 2 weeks, which is good.
Alright, Claire, since
Oh my gosh, the table's falling apart! The table's falling apart!
hold hands,
look at each other.
you guys make eye contact.
Premarital eye contact?
Yes, we have made
Yeah, good.
So just like kiss her, man.
Yeah.
I tried, bro.
Okay, well then if she says no, then just don't.
Yeah.
That's my second one that was literally landed in here.
I don't know what just happened. So
And
yeah.
I tried, bro.
okay, well then if she says no, then just don't.
Ooh, alright. We're gonna call Symonne and learn more about their relationship.
Bye. Alright.
More about their relationship.
Bye.
I'm joking.
So you do?
You do?
Whoa!
Did you say KY?
You said K. To answer the question, I'm gonna have to be sitting through editing.
Alright, it's a 0. Alright.
Alright, 0.
Bye.
Alright, guys. So, Pringle. Woo! By the way, guys.
It's gonna be bad.
Yeah, guys. And obviously, Jensen's been going through a hard time, but you guys supporting him and having the squad here is really amazing. So we're very thankful for you guys. And if you want to make him feel even better, you know what to do. You can hit that.
And like,
You can
subscribe
and turn on those post notifications.
I'll support her.
And so you guys know, at the end of the day, I just want to make great content for you.
For you. We love you.
The For You. Get on the For You page.
I
And now Piper's gonna have acne. Oh!